Hello guys, if you want to start learning Unreal Engine 5 but you're not sure where to begin, this series is for you. We'll go step by step through the editor, starting from setup and moving into the essential basics you actually need as a beginner, without overwhelm and just practical fundamentals that help you start. In this first video, we'll install Unreal Engine 5.7, set up your first project, and get everything ready so you can actually start building. Before we install anything, let's quickly talk about what Unreal Engine actually is. This is a game engine created by Epic Games, the company that created Fortnite. More and more large studios are switching to Unreal Engine these days. For instance, CD Projekt Red dropped its own engine and moved to Unreal entirely. So next time you see the new Witcher game, you will know it's been made with Unreal Engine. It's used to build games, cinematic experiences, and interactive 3D worlds. But for now, don't worry about the advanced parts. You can think of it as a big development environment where you build scenes, place objects, and define how your game behaves. We're not going deep into systems yet. You can ignore that for now. Today is just about getting it installed and running. First step is installing the Epic Games launcher. Go to the official Epic Games website and download the launcher. I'll drop the link in the description below, so check that out. Now, run the installer. Once installed, open it and sign in or create an account. Inside the launcher, you'll see a tab called Unreal Engine on the left side. Now go to the library section. This is where you manage engine versions. Click plus icon to install the engine. From the list, choose Unreal Engine 5.7.4. Use this version so your interface matches mine. You'll also see installation options. For now, you can leave most options as default. You don't need to install every component. Start the installation and wait for it to finish. Alright, installation is complete. Now click Launch. This opens the editor. Click on the new project. Now you'll see the project browser. This is where you decide what kind of project you want to start with. We're going to keep it simple. Choose Games category. Then select a first person. Make sure that Blueprint is selected, not C++. We will use Blueprints for now because they're beginner friendly and much faster to work with visually. Alright, target platform set to desktop, quality preset to maximum, and variant will be none. Now name your project something simple like UE5_basics_project. Choose a location on your drive and click Create. Now Unreal Engine will open your project for the first time. This can take a bit of time, that's normal. When it loads, you'll see a 3D space with some basic starter assets. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. Right now, none of this needs to make full sense. We'll break it down step by step in the next episode. The only thing I want to quickly introduce is the main window in the center of the screen. It is called Viewport. It shows everything you will see when you run the game. Click the play button at the top. Here it is, your sample project running. You can use WASD keys to move around. That's all we need today. Now that everything is installed and your first project is running, we can move on to the real foundation. In the next episode, we will go through the Unreal Engine interface and break down exactly what you're looking at. Viewport, Content Browser, Outliner, and all the main panels will start to make sense. And once that clicks, you'll feel a lot more comfortable inside the editor. So see you guys in the next one.